In this video, ikukumpara natin yung kaka-release lang na Suzuki S-Presso AGS versus sa Suzuki Celerio AGS. Ikukumpara natin yung kanilang price, engine, fuel efficiency, dimensions, safety features, and more. And at the end of this video, isa-summarize natin kung sino ba talaga yung lamang sa dalawang ito. Let's start with the price. Yung Suzuki Celerio nakakahalaga ng 754,000 pesos at yung Suzuki S-Presso naman nakakahalaga ng 660,000 pesos. So, yung S-Presso is 94,000 cheaper. And yung engine niya, both ay mayroong 1 liter 3-cylinder engine with 12 valves and yung transmission is auto gear shift. Sa performance, both ay front-wheel drive with maximum power output of 67 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Torque is 90 Newton meters at 3,500 RPM. Next is fuel. Both is gasoline type of fuel and then may capacity na 35 liters yung Celerio while 27 liters yung S-Presso. Celerio ay may 18.18 km per liter na fuel consumption while 19.6 km per liter naman yung S-Presso. So the Celerio has bigger fuel tank but the S-Presso is more fuel efficient. In terms of dimensions naman, length is longer in Celerio and width also longer in Celerio, but the height is taller in the S-Presso. The Celerio is heavier and the wheelbase is longer. Yung turning circle din ng Celerio is wider and then yung ground clearance ng S-Presso is higher. 180mm na siya, same ng Wigo. But yung trunk capacity ni Celerio is bigger and the number of doors and number of seats is both can fit 5 people. So the Celerio is bigger and heavier but the S-Presso is taller and have a higher ground clearance. Now let's move on to safety. So both have dual airbags, rear sensors, anti-lock brake system, immobilizer, stability control, electronic door locks, isofix, hill hold assist, but only the S-Presso has electronic brake distribution system. So the S-Presso has more safety features with EBD. Then, yung mga additional features niya, both have alloy wheels and then yung size ni S-Presso is 14-inch while the Celerio is 15-inch, and then manual air conditioning system with 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for both. But there's a difference in connectivity kasi meron ng Apple CarPlay and Android Auto yung S-Presso AGS. And then both have engine start-stop, steering wheel, audio control, keyless entry, and power windows adjustment. So the S-Presso has more features with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And then for the color options, the Suzuki Celerio has 6 while the Suzuki S-Presso has only 4. So the Celerio has more color options. Now let's go to the summary. So the S-Presso is 94,000 pesos cheaper, so 1 point for S-Presso. And then the same engine, 1 point for both. And then the Celerio is bigger and heavier, but the S-Presso is taller and have a higher ground clearance. So I'll give this to the S-Presso. Then the Celerio has bigger fuel tank, but the S-Presso is more fuel efficient. Another point for the S-Presso. And then the S-Presso has more safety features with EBD. Another point for the S-Presso. And the S-Presso also has more features with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Another point for the S-Presso. And then lastly, the Celerio has more color options. So another 1 point for the Celerio. So in total, the Celerio has 2 points while the S-Presso has 6 points. So the Celerio wins this comparison. But the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yung masusunod kung sino yung mas gusto mo sa dalawang ito. Just comment down below kung ano yung sa tingin mo mas maganda sa dalawang to. And then, if you want more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.